Hello sir. I am here from TuFee app. Here we are going to learn how to generate reports and check institute data effective manner. Open dashboard of the app and click on the report. When you click on the report, the app will show you three options. One is the student report. The second is the profit and loss report. The third is the attendance and fee report. Let's start with the first option, the student report. With on click of student report, the app will ask you to select the start date of the student report, the end date of the student report. You can find students by name and filter by batch. And then click on your student. App will generate the student report of your selected date. In student report, app will show all attendance and exams between dates. You can send this beautiful report to your student directly on WhatsApp. Now let's check other reports. Click on profit and loss report. Here app will show your total earnings and total expenses data on the chart. Also, you can change report dates. First select report end date and then select report start date. You can create this data into an Excel sheet also. Just click on the top of the screen menu and you will find the Excel report option. Click on that and the app will create an Excel file in your memory. The app will show you the file's path on the screen when the Excel file completed. Now let's check attendance and fee report. Click on the attendance and fee report and will show your attendance and fee report chart. Here app will show your total collected, total due, total discount, and attendance summary. You can generate an Excel sheet also. Click on top of the screen as before we did in the profit and loss report. Same process as profit and loss report. So these are all reports we provided. Here we have completed the report tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Good day, good morning, good night. Whenever you are watching this video.